Hello, welcome to Portworx Lightboard sessions. My name is Ryan Wallner, and today we're going to be talking about Portworx proxy volumes. Now, as a recap, we want to talk about how Portworx generally provisions volumes and then how it differs from a proxy volume. So the first thing I'm going to cover is what a typical read-write-only volume looks like and how it's consumed by an application. So PVC1 here is a read-write-only volume and it's represented in red. If we had a database that used this volume, Portworx would deploy it as part of the globally available storage pool that it creates out of the attached storage on the worker nodes or the storage available from those worker nodes. It creates pools available to create PVCs from, which this is our PVC. So it would be provisioned from Portworx and available with replication configured or any other type of attribute for that volume. The data for that volume would be represented on the physical storage that Portworx pulls together, and if it had more than one replica, it would be replicated across to a different Portworx node. So that's typically how a PVC works. But there are cases where, such as a web app, may want to consume an existing NAS investment. We realize some of our users already have existing storage and investment, such as a network attached storage device that gives them file shares, and those may want to be consumed by a web application running inside a pod within Kubernetes. Now, say this web app wanted to use the read-write many share as a PVC. What Portworx allows you to do is connect that NAS to Portworx over the network and provide a proxy endpoint for the PVC as an annotation. So when you create a PVC, you'll tell the PVC annotations to use a specific proxy endpoint to locate that external NAS and essentially represent that NAS share as a Portworx volume. So that Portworx volume effectively still gets represented as a PVC, as a Portworx volume. If you're using Pixie Cuddle or the Portworx UIs, you will see that Portworx volume as a first-class citizen within Kubernetes. But when that application writes data, Portworx will get it and effectively relay it to your NAS. So that data will actually be written to your external NAS solution. The other part that you can do here is if your NAS allows you to have multiple different subdirectories to represent different shares, you can give the PVC definition which subdirectory you want to use for the application, so multiple applications can take advantage of using your external NAS. So that is what a proxy volume is in Portworx. And remember that you can take advantage of your external network attached storage, but still represent PVCs through Portworx volumes as first-class citizens for your containerized workloads in Kubernetes. Until next time, take care.